Is exactly how to make your first 10K in Ecom before Christmas. Step 1, you need a product to sell. Let me show you a quick hack to find one. Go to adspy.com and then filter by ads that were created last winter. And then you also want to filter by the most popular ads in that time region. And as you begin to scroll through this list of literally hundreds of ads and see dozens of products, you'll begin to see loads of them that actually sell really well during the winter months, either because they're very seasonal products or they just make out as really great Christmas gifts. And once we find a cool product like these necklaces, then we want to build a store around it. And then what we want to do is make image or video creatives that follow a similar structure or script to the videos that we saw on AdSpy. And you can see if we type in stuff like to my daughter, we can see creatives that are working really well and have high engagement, and we can basically make creatives that are similar to that. We can also type in stuff like for my daughter, and we find a bunch of creatives that are doing really well on Facebook, and our goal is just to make unique content that's similar formatted to this. But the only difference being, instead of trying to run these ads on Facebook like our competitors last year, we can try run these ads on platforms like TikTok or Pinterest. And basically, we're going to be able to reach millions of people that probably aren't on Facebook, that have never seen this product before, and then we can sell these items to profitably. And when you're making creatives, make sure to make multiple variations of the first couple seconds of your ad so you can split test between different hooks and see what works best. And step 4 is just to launch your ads. I would say get started on one platform first and figure that platform out. Let's say TikTok, because it's the biggest one outside of Facebook. But because the dimensions of your creatives are probably the same as it would be on Snapchat and a slight difference on Pinterest, you might as well try those other platforms as well and see if your product can take off on those platforms. And as soon as you find a combination of creative and product that's working for you, it's profitable, then scaling is pretty straightforward. All you're really doing is just increasing your budgets and making multiple duplicates. And I'll make a video right after this one showing you exactly how you can source high quality content for your ads if you aren't too great on camera yourself. So make sure you are following my page if you want to see that video.